Franconia Museum is celebrating this year its 15th anniversary as Fairfax County celebrates its 275th anniversary. We're located here in the Franconia Government Center, 6121 Franconia Road. The mission of the Franconia Museum is to preserve and protect the stories of this area, that is the eastern portion of Fairfax County. So Franconia's different collections include a display to Belleville, George Washington's lawyer. We also acknowledge the Civil War conflict that raged throughout the neighborhood for 4 years. We also have displays on Carrolltown, the African American settlement that has been here for 150 years. We also honor all of the Franconia veterans who went to fight in all of America's wars, including World War I and II and Vietnam. For those interested in railroad history or in train modeling, we do have display on Franconia's railroad, the RF&P, and all of its stations and trains that came through this area. We are here to promote and educate our future generations on the history of Franconia and what it was like to live here in the past.